guys? Thanks for tuning in. Today, we're going to do something a little bit different. As you can see, I have a box here from HelloFresh. HelloFresh is one of those meal prep box plan things that come with all the meals and all the ingredients that you need to cook. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new playlist in my YouTube channel here, strictly dedicated to HelloFresh and those meal prep boxes. Not sponsored, of course. This is the only one that I can get up here where I live, HelloFresh. I know there's hundreds of different meal boxes or box meal things out there. Like I said, this is what the one that I can get. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna start cooking different recipes from HelloFresh and show you guys how to go ahead and do them. There is a couple of different things that I do differently than what the recipe cards call for. So we'll go over that. I'll tell you guys what the meal card tells you to do, because there is instructions on every single dish in here. The nice thing with these meal boxes is it comes with all the ingredients, like I said, except for a few things that you usually have already in your pantry. Oil, butter, spices. Unless it's a specific spice, they'll give it to you. So this is what the inside of a HelloFresh meal prep kit box looks like. We're going to go ahead and unpack this guy. They always give you some sort of a... it looks like this one's for Thanksgiving, because Thanksgiving is coming up. Next thing you're going to find in here is all the recipe cards. So the one that I've chosen, this comes with 3 meals in this one. 3 meals for 2 people, so about 6 dishes. So the first thing you're going to find is always the recipe cards. There's 3 of them here. Underneath that, you're going to find 3 bags. Now, each one of these bags is for each one of the different meals. Inside these bags, you're going to find all of the ingredients that you need, whether it be potatoes or flour or spices, kind of whatever. And each one is marked kind of nice. And then underneath that, you have... Oh, look, they gave me some garlic too. That must be for one of them. So underneath that, they have cardboard separating it. And down under here, you're going to find all your proteins. So chicken, fish, this one has, what do we got in here? Oh, we got some ground beef. I kind of forget which ones, which meals I ordered. So yeah, underneath there, like I said, you're going to find all your proteins. Let's go ahead and remove your proteins. And there is, underneath that is, well, it used to be ice. Now everything that's in here gets shipped fresh. HelloFresh gives the name. So this was ice at one point. To where I live, it's about 2 days, shipping from Vancouver. So it takes a little bit, and yes, these are not frozen anymore by the time it gets here, but everything inside this box is still relatively cool. I've never had a problem with anything being warm. But yeah, that's kind of the inside of a HelloFresh box. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and have a whole new chapter basically here on YouTube dedicated to HelloFresh and those meal prep boxes. So hopefully you guys will tune in and, come along for the ride with this new little endeavor that I'm taking off on. I'm still going to do other cooking, my own recipes and all that. That'll be on the Small Town Solutions Cooking Hour part of my channel. But this will be a whole new thing that we're going to start doing. Thanks again for everybody that tunes into my cooking videos. And hopefully this will intrigue some people to try some new dishes. And maybe even, like I said, order some of these meal prep boxes themselves. They are very handy. Thanks a lot for tuning in, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, all the good stuff. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on YouTube. You can also find me on TikTok. Every little bit helps. Thanks a lot, guys.